Hello friends, in this video we learn how to find the volume of a cube. So guys, comment down your feedback after the video, and for more videos subscribe Happy Learning. Let's get started. So we have this cube and the edge of the cube is denoted by symbol A, and now the volume of cube is edge multiplied by edge multiplied by edge. We can also write it as A multiplied by A multiplied by A. So let's say if our cube has edge A equal to 10 centimeter, then the volume of our cube will be A multiplied by A multiplied by A, that is 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. On multiplying these values, we'll get 1000 centimeter cube. So that will be the volume of our cube. So at the end, check out more videos on word problems based on volume of cube. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, share this video with your friends, press the red button to subscribe Happy Learning, and press bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching. Happy Learning.